Hi there, students. Insight. Okay, insight is acute observation and deduction, a deep view of something, insight, a sight of the inside of something, intuition or mature understanding. So, for example, the more classes that I give, the deeper my insight into how the English language works. I understand it better. I had an intuition that you were going to arrive early. My insight said you were going to arrive early. This is like a gut feeling. Something that you know, but not using logical thought. You just get this feeling that it's true. You need great insight to be able to say the right thing at the right time. It's almost like a sixth sense. His explanation gave me more insight into why this problem was occurring. So here, the insight, it's like a feeling or emotion that tells you more. I need to gain more insight into the way he thinks. I need to get inside his head mentally. He shows remarkable insight when negotiating. He showed a lot of insight during the negotiation. It's like he knew what the other people were thinking. Okay, with this word insight, you need to be careful not to confuse it with the verb to incite, I-N-C-I-T-E, which means to provoke, to instigate, to induce. So he incited violence. He told everybody to go hitting people. Yeah, incitement of racial hatred. This is different. Okay, insight. This comes from Middle English, incite or insight, which means insight or a mental vision of something. I think this word insight, as to formality, I would give it maybe a 6.5 or even a 7. I think in an informal conversation in the pub, I think I'd use just the word view. I think for something semi-formal like a business meeting, this is a really good word to use. And for a formal writing, it's perfect. So, insight, inner understanding, a view that is special because you know a lot about the subject. Okay, so there you go, insight, a noun, both countable and uncountable. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Incite.